What's up YouTube? For this video we'll do a quick comparison between these two snapbacks right here. This one is the 47 brand Captain snapback and this one is the New Era 9Fifty snapback. Both of these snapbacks are actually pretty similar, but they also do have some key differences. So in this video we'll quickly compare the two and decide which between the two is better. So with that being said, let's get into it. Alright, first off, just want to quickly compare the brims of these two hats. In terms of the 47 brand snapback, you can see that the brim on here is a little more of a straight edge approach from the brim to the crown right here. So a little straighter. Whereas the brim of the 950 snapback has more of a curved approach right here. So a little more curved and ovally. So you'll see that the brim of the 47 snapback has a little more of a sharp edged / square and boxy approach on the brim. Whereas the New Era 950 snapback has more of a curved, ovally approach on the brim. Moving to the crown of these hats, it's kind of the opposite. Whereas the 47 brand had a more squarish brim, the crown of the 47 snapback has more of a curved or a rounded crown. Whereas the New Era 950 snapback has more of a boxy or square shaped crown. A little rounder on the 47, a little boxier on the New Era. When you look at the crown from a side view, same idea where the 47 snapback right here has a little more of a curved angulation going up to the top of the hat. So a little more of a curved angulation right here. Whereas the New Era snapback has a little more of a vertical or sharp step off from the brim. A little boxier and more of a sharp vertical step off from the brim right here. So one more time, a little more of a curved step off on the 47, a little more vertical sharp step off on the New Era. When it comes to sizing and fit, both of these are snapbacks, and with the snaps, both of them do have up to 7 adjustable holes. But when you eyeball the circumference of these two hats, I don't have a measurement unfortunately, but just eyeballing it, it just looks like the New Era 950 snapback tends to run a little bigger than the 47 snapback. If I adjust both of these hats to the first or the shortest setting on both snaps right here, just eyeballing the circumference, I'm not sure if the camera is doing it justice, but in person, it really does look like the circumference of the New Era hat runs bigger than the 47, or vice versa. The 47 tends to have a smaller circumference than the New Era. And then on the opposite end, if I set the snaps at the biggest or the last setting of the snap, this one tends to really look a lot bigger. So this really looks like it can fit a much bigger head than this one. Alright, so all in all, both of these snapbacks are great options, but if you're trying to decide between the two, here are my recommendations. In terms of the 47 snapback, this one is for you if 1. You are looking for a hat with more of a rounded shape or a rounded crown. I think this is the option for you if you tend to have more of a round shaped face. 2. This hat is for you if you have a smaller shaped head. Again, although both of these are snapbacks and one size fits most, I think this is the option for you if you tend to have a smaller shaped head. And I think the configuration of the 47 snapback will just conform to your head shape a little better. And 3, this hat is for you if you're just looking for a hat for more casual wear. More of an everyday hat that you can just wear for most occasions. On the other hand, moving on to the New Era 950 snapback, this hat is for you if, number 1, you consider your head shape to be a little more wide or boxy shaped. Given that the New Era cap has a boxier or a more square shaped crown, I think this will look better on your head shape as compared to the 47 cap. 2, if you just want a hat with a little more firmness and structure, the New Era cap has more firmness than the 47 snapback, whereas the 47 snapback is just a little flimsier, for lack of better terms. And 3, the New Era snapback is for you if you are a die-hard sports fan or just a collector of sports memorabilia. If you're trying to really rock these hats to sporting events or things like that, New Era is technically the licensed brand for the major sports companies such as MLB, NFL, etc. So again, if you're really into sports like that, New Era is the way to go. So let me know in the comments, which between these two are you rocking with? Or if you have any other questions about these two hats, feel free to comment and I'll help you the best I can. If you made this far in the video, please do me a huge favor, hit that like button, it'll help me out a lot, and consider subscribing for more content on style, sneakers, and science. Check out my other videos, here or here. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.